What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Alright y'all, so the Forgotten Angels Campout is right around the corner again, March 14th through the 17th, 2024 in Valrico, Florida. Me and the wife, Mrs. Gears, love going to this campout and can't wait to be there again. The campout is $100 this year, and all proceeds from this campout go directly to help Dave and Cindy run this campout, as well as end the cycle of foster care abuse. Now, in order to be prepared for this campout, today's video I'm going to be putting together my tent that I haven't put together in probably about 2 years, as well as an air mattress that I just bought and a sleeping bag. I bought this tent about 2 years ago from Walmart. It's just a regular old 4-person Ozark trail tent. It's been sitting in the attic for quite some time, so I don't know what to expect. So let's head out and see what this tent looks like. Florida, let's check the rainforest. Tent checks out. I'm not going to put these stakes in because we're going to tear it down right after we're done, but let's go ahead and make sure that the blow up mattress works. bet that was comical. Now that we got this thing pumped up, let's get it in the tent. Don't know how I feel about this air mattress, but hey, it fits in here and it's only for a couple days anyways. Next, let's see if this Amazon Malamy sleeping bag has everything in it. All this stuff checks out all right. I'm gonna go ahead and tear it down, and I'll catch y'all in a few. All right, y'all, so after talking to Mrs. Gears and showing her that sleeping pad, it's not gonna do, which I don't blame her. It's really thin. So back to Amazon that one goes, and we have a new one coming in the mail soon. This one has more padding and should be comfortable for our trip while we're there. But now to the real reason I wanted to make this video. Now I know I said it earlier in the video, but the Forgotten Angels Campout is going on March 14th through the 17th, 2024, which is later this week. The campout is $100 and that pays for your food, your fun, and your place to stay while you're out there. Now I don't want to get too deep into what the campout's about because I want you all to go and see it for yourself. But of course, I will have a video on the campout as well, so you can check that out too when it comes out. Now, one thing that I love about Forgotten Angels is that all the money that is raised goes directly to help Dave and Cindy help these kids who have aged out of the foster care system. Some of you might know the foster care system ain't pretty, and some of the parents don't have the best interests of the kids in mind. With your help, Dave and Cindy are giving these kids their first shot at life. A lot of these kids that they're helping have gone through a lot of mental or physical or sexual abuse. And it takes a lot to get these young adults on the right path. Any way that you can help them is greatly appreciated. I'll have their link in the description down below, that way you can check it out and see what way you can help. I feel like I could go on and say good things about Forgotten Angels, but go ahead and check it out for yourself or head to the campout and see it for your own eyes. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this video, and I hope to see some of you guys in a few days. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that alert notification button. That way you can be reminded of what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. See you on the next one, guys.